In today's video, we will try to learn how to print sales invoice or how to see sales invoice in our like a bill. For this, come here, get your tally, then go with day book. Then select which one you want to see as a sales invoice or which one you want to print as a sales invoice. I want to print sales invoice of SD, so I'll select SD by pressing enter. Now press Alt P for selecting the print. Here you can see the print option is showing. Press enter for this print. Now if you press P, the print is automatically generated from your printer, or if you press I, then you can see the preview of this invoice. So I'll say press I, and you can see all the invoice details here, all the details of SD, all the details of SD, all the details of sales, 1 plus tab, GST, etc. Everything to the point details are given here. You can see it from here. Or if you want to say the cash sales invoice, then press cash sales, then press Alt P again, then press enter, then press I to preview. You can see the cash sales invoice sale in the same way. So this is for today. Thank you for watching.